asuntoketju Auviserinen, Olavinkatu 33, Savonlinna.
Very small elevator.
Staircase B.
Nico, you are not coming with us. Look at this guy. Building 2000, age 702008. A little bit dimmy, floor indicator.
Yeah.
That's hydraulics.
Yeah.
Even more crappy doors. Oh, are we just gonna take a one ride?
No.
Okay. Fucking idiot.
Inspected by inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah, 4 persons for 25 kilograms. There isn't full memory.
Yeah.
And it has the CE label on it.
Yeah.
It isn't in the panel. Strange. This has been added later. Red light. This panel design is a little bit cheaper.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.